Welcome to Biology in a Box. My name is Amanda, and today I'll be walking you through an exercise to better understand how living organisms are made. DNA is a thread-like chain that carries the genetic instructions used for an organism to grow, develop, function, and reproduce. This coil is a model of what a DNA model looks like. Stretch it out and observe the different colors. These colors show how different pieces connect to make out a strand of DNA. These pieces in the center are called bases. There are 4 different bases: cytosine, thymine, adenine, and guanine. Cytosine and thymine are smaller single ring bases. Adenine and guanine are purine bases, which are larger double ring bases. Using the molecular model kit provided by your teacher, construct each pyrimidine and each purine base. This will show you the difference in the sizes of the 2 types of bases. Use the diagrams in Figure 1.2 as blueprints on how to put them together. Afterward, they should look something like this. Each pyrimidine base pairs with one of the larger purine bases. Using these base models, determine which single ring base pairs with which double ring base, and demonstrate how they bond using the DNA puzzle provided by your teacher. Then, on either side of the base pairs in the puzzle, connect the phosphate and sugar molecules. These are the molecules that connect each rung of base pairs to one another up the DNA ladder. I hope you enjoy putting together a DNA strand in today's lesson.